Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. Mike Wells, your World Explorer, and today we're going to take a look at our tomatoes. Now, what happened here is something came along and was digging up all of these shells, the eggshells. Now, I have a feeling they weren't really after the eggshells. I think they were after the shrimp shells, because the shrimp shells emit a very strong smell. Now, I'm told that lime will mask that smell, but I didn't use any. I don't really want to spend a whole bunch of money on all these different products. I just want to be resourceful and try to, use what is convenient, and don't want to have to put a whole bunch of money and energy and time into all this. I just, that doesn't make sense. I'm trying to save money, not spend more money to get a little bit of a yield. Anyhow, you see that a lot of the baby tomatoes were covered up from the digging, but I'm not too worried because I put so many seeds down that this whole patch is probably just going to come right back. And if it doesn't, that's okay. I still got the end of February where I'm going to be laying a bunch of seeds down to try and get this boosted back. But if you look over here, I think the nematodes are being affected negatively by the shrimp shells and the egg shells that I've been placing into the ground, because this is still holding on but also growing. And we just had a couple of freezes back to back, which didn't affect this too badly. But you see a lot of fruit in there. I'm going to take those particular fruit, those tomatoes, those cherry tomatoes, and just put them back in the ground, because I want to, spread my crop with a more adapted seed. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated on the progress here, and the cause and effect, and the pros and the cons, what happened, all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. And have a great day.